What's up, guys? This is Cody from Digital Advantage and Helpful Dreams. I'm sharing a software tool with you guys that helped us add 25,000 in additional revenue to our marketing agency just by having artificial intelligence and basically a robot write written content for our clients' marketing campaigns and their websites and their Facebook marketing and everything that goes with that. And it has just opened up a whole new world of opportunity for our agency by increasing our margins like crazy, where it doesn't take as long to do things anymore, and so we can just crank things out. And so I apologize for the video quality. I just want to get straight to the point. I didn't want to do a fancy intro or anything like that. I just wanted to get this out. The link to this tool is in my YouTube description, and the YouTube description was actually generated using this artificial intelligence, and so you can check that out. But what I'm going to do is just run through the different tools that this thing has. I mean, it has a content improver, blog post outlines, blog post intro paragraphs. I mean, tons of stuff in here. Amazon product descriptions. And this thing automatically goes through and writes better than a human. Like in every instance, we get better content than any human would have written. And so it does all of this just like in an instant, and I'm going to show you in a second for those who want to stick around. But this goes through, video topic ideas, video script outlines, cold emails, and it especially helps us with our SEO content because it creates unique content super fast, metadata, all that stuff for our SEO campaigns. And it does it just like flawlessly. I mean, there's some doctoring up that you have to do, but it's really minimal. I mean, you guys will be really impressed with the content that this thing spits out. You can use it for company bios, personal bios, business name ideas, product name ideas, questions for like chat bots and things like that. And it just does it all in an instant. And so I'll show you guys like the headline creator here. I already have some of my history, but I went through here and I just did product description, air conditioning, HVAC. The name of the company is HVAC company, and our customer avatar is our target demographic of homeowners. And then you put the type of voice you want it to write in: witty, friendly, angry, polite. And so I just went professional right now. And if I click that, it will just generate a bunch of headline ideas for a website. And some of them are generic and some of them don't apply, but the idea is that this gives you really good ideas. You don't have writer's block like you regularly would. Top rated heating and cooling company in your area, HVAC contract for residential homes in the US, all these different headlines. And then what you do is you can take a headline and plug it into the intro paragraph here, and I'll show you it generate. Blog post title is air conditioning, let's say in New York, and our audience is homeowners, and then we want it to be a friendly voice, and so we'll just run that, and it's doing its thing, and the robot is thinking, and then what it's going to do is crank out paragraphs for us to use, for a blog post that would be relevant to the area. So it's hot and humid in New York. Temperatures are expected to reach high 80s by Friday, blah, blah, blah. And it's pulling in facts and data off online and injecting it into here. And sometimes they have to be edited, to fit the context of like what's going on currently. But this thing cranks out really good written content that would be perfect for blog posts or Facebook posts or anything like that, And so, that's just the little, I'm going to be doing some more demonstrations on the different things, but I just wanted to do this as an intro to show you guys what all this thing can do. But I'm going to be putting out videos on different techniques that we use to do long form content, and also use it, different applications for websites and different marketing campaigns. And, I hope you guys get in there and get a chance to play with this, because when I found this, I had so much fun, and it's added a whole new level of effectiveness of our marketing, and because we're not swamped down by generating the content. And so Like I said, I didn't make this video like super fancy or anything, but I just wanted to get to the point, you know. And yeah, you guys can check out the link in the description. You can subscribe. I'll be sharing other marketing tools that we use, but this is really the beast that I'm really excited to share with the world. And so I'm going to be doing different applications of this as well. The rest of the channel has like inspirational stuff on it that we like to just share with business owners, like audiobooks and different motivational speakers. But I'll be filtering in kind of these marketing tools as well. And then you can also follow me on TikTok and stuff, and I'll be posting some things on there. And so I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you have a good day.